guys! Ulit. Hi everyone! Belle here. And today, meron tayong bagong house tour here in Angeles City, Pampanga. We are here at Savannah Green Plains Subdivision that's near Clark and Clark International Airport. So sa mga naghahanap dyan ng rental property, you might consider this, rental investment, you might consider this house. Tara! Let's go inside kasi medyo maulan. So, right here, we have a one carport. So, excuse lang sa mga laundry kasi dito nakatira yung staff ng owner. So, right on that side, we have that plant box. So, it's low maintenance kaya wala siyang masyadong garden or landscape naman. Okay. Let's go inside. Okay. Parang siyang Korean style or Japan style na pagka-enter mo may mga shoe rack dito or shelvings dito for your shoes or anything. And then meron din siyang mirror right here where you can see yourself first once you enter the house. So here is your spacious living area. So dito meron tayong L-shaped sofa set na naka-leather na din siya, no? And then, a center table right here. So, I've mentioned, di ba? So, sa mga naghahanap dyan ng rental investment, you might consider this property because previously, na-rent itong bahay na to. And then, the owner decided to open this for sale. So, open na siya sa market. And it's really nice location because ito talaga yung mga hinahanap ng mga foreigners na gustong mag-rent near Clark. And also, the house itself is fully furnished. So, di ba sa mga nagre-rent dyan, gusto nila yung talagang titirhan na lang talaga. And this is perfect na din. So, for your living area, you have the sofa set, you have this entertainment console. So, lahat to kasama na. So, di ba? Yun yung parang pagiging natin sa mga magre-rent or sa future tenant ninyo. So, that's the advantage of it. Okay? Next one is we have this kitchen plus dining. Kumbaga, parang pinagsama na siya, no? So, dito, we have this countertop and then 6-seater na dining table. Actually, pwede rin to guys for Airbnb. I don't know kung pinapa-Airbnb din nila to or nire-rent out nila. But tinanong ko, so usually ang rental dito is nasa around 100 to 113,000 per month. Pero for the Airbnb, I'm not quite sure. Pero actually, mabenta din yung mga Airbnb dito kasi parang pinapayagan din naman yung sa subdivision. So going back, here is your kitchen area. So may mga appliances na din na included. So if you have a future tenant or like, 'di ba, yung mga mag-Airbnb dito, may magagamit na sila. Or even sa future house ninyo, hindi nyo na kailangan bumili pa. So yan. Ayun, may mga utensils na. It's very syempre when you get this house, kung ayaw yung kunin yung mga utensils, syempre, 'di ba? That's your personal naman. And yeah, you have the sink right here and more cabinetries. Okay? Next one is, ayun, may mga shelvings pa tayo doon. We have a sliding door right here going to the pool area. So, for your pool, ito din yung usually hinahanap ng mga foreigners na nagre-rent. Yung may pool din talaga. And you have this enough size. And then, siguro mga nasa around 4 to 5 feet deep din ito, no? Tapos parang may pa-water feature siya, I think. Tapos, dito meron kang outdoor furniture. And then, right there. And then, covered na din siya partially. So, yun. Let's go back. Okay. So, yung design din niya, no? Kung mapapansin nyo yung sa floor ng mga tiles natin. So, iba yung ginamit nila dito sa hallway. Parang sa hallway na to. Just to kind of separate your living and the kitchen. So, here we have a first bedroom. So, dito, pagpasok natin, meron tayong closet. May vault na din dito, no? Just in case na may mag-rent dito or may Airbnb. Tapos, meron na din siyang bed, ACU, and ceiling fan. So, dito parang meron siyang sliding door. Access naman papunta dun sa pool area. And dito, we have steps right here. And this one, basa lang. Pero this one is your first bathroom. Hindi siya half bath or powder room lang. Full bath siya. Siguro for this room na din or for the guest room. Then under the stairs, meron din tayong storage. Okay? Let's go upstairs, guys. Now, upon landing to your second floor, so we have this space or corner right here. We have this lounge area. Naglagay sila ng mga chairs dito. And then, let's check the rooms. A total of 5 bedrooms yung bahay na to. And na parang same-same lang din yung mga size nila, guys. So, ito yung second room. Tapos, same lang din yung bed na nilagay nila. Ayan. May mga towel eh. So, I think talaga pinapa-Airbnb talaga nila to. So, this one, there's just a leading toilet and bath. So, we have your sink. And then, parang meron na din silang mga hot shower. So, that's a good thing about it. Ayan, may closet na din siya. Tapos, vanity. Next room, here. So, dito naman, pagpasok natin, makikita mo na agad yung toilet and bath niya. Alam niyo guys, yung ganitong style ng ng bahay, parang mga Korean din talaga yung style nila. Usually ganito talaga sila. And usually din yung mga nagre-rent dito is either mga Koreans, mga Chinese, iba-iba. Usually family din, ganyan, ng mga taga-Western. So yun. So dito meron siyang another bed, same bed design, ceiling fan, and then closet. Ayan. Diyan na lahat. Diba? Simple lang yung design ng house, guys. Kasi, itong house na to, hindi ko pa napakita. Napakita ko na ata siya. So, this is the bathroom, guys. Again, meron na din siyang hot shower. Simple lang yung design niya kasi ganitong yung mga design na talagang perfect lang for renting out or for Airbnb na business. So, if you are a buyer, if you are an investor, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga rental properties or pwedeng pag-Airbnb, parang perfect na din to sa inyo, guys. Okay, we still have 2 doors. Ito, check natin. Ito, di ba? Ang dami niyang rooms, 5 bedrooms. So, tapos lahat, may kanya-kanyang toilet and bath, tapos may access sa balcony. So, may vanity tayo dyan. Tapos dito, meron din tayong closet, shelvings on it. So, yun. Tapos, meron rin siyang sariling toilet and bath. Again, may hot shower na din. Same lang yung design niya, guys. Okay. Now, the next door or the last bedroom. Here, as you enter, meron tayong another closet. And then, a balcony and a vanity and a bed right here. And then, syempre, meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. Look at that. Okay, well, to be honest, when it comes to the designs, nothing special because for me, it's just only simple. The design, white plain walls, wood accent, mga rooms. Simple lang talaga yung design niya, guys. But good thing about it kasi is yung value ng money. I mean, the investment na pwedeng, pag gumaga parang potential investment na makukuha mo sa property na to. Well, if you're going to ask me, this house is being offered for 16 million pesos. So, pwede siya for cash or bank financing, no? And again, this one has a total lot area of 160 square meters and the floor area is 240 square meters. Now, if you're looking for an investment, this one is perfect for you guys. And if you want to schedule a site viewing, please do message me right here. Thank you for thank you for joining me sa ating house tour. Hope to see you here soon. Alam.